So, like I said, also this meeting is brought to you guys by NejiWeb. So, the it's a web agency that I run, and here we do the whole stuff of web design, tutorials, and the rest of them. So, this is my website. You can just type the link, type the user URL, and find more about me. And I also have my team in which we have our amiable admin here. She's one of our team member here, but we have not actually kicked off to know who is who. But she's one of our team member here
I'm
actually.
here. We
Yeah,
move.
yeah. I don't,
I'm
I don't
here. Oh,
I don't know if you have seen the website. Have you seen the
I never
website?
see anything. Me, I was. Don't even, I've not seen the website though.
Okay. Oh, okay. I never seen my screen. I have not started recording. I've not started. Can you imagine?
Is it your? Is it your in your distance?
Yeah, yeah. Wait, let me start sharing my screen. I thought people are sharing seeing my stuff already.
Ah, Jehovah, I'm lost.
Wait, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Don't worry. Your entire screen. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, let me see.
Can you see my screen now?
Um, I can. Okay. You say you're sharing your screen.
Okay. Has it stopped?
Okay. Is it like a video kind of?
Yeah, I'm doing a live video. Can you see what I'm showing you now?
Yes, yes, I can see it right now.
Like you're seeing the white background here.
Yes, I can see the web background and
Okay.
like a desktop kind of.
Okay. Okay. So nothing is blocking it. It's clear. I just want to know so
No, yeah,
that
it's very clear. It's very
okay.
no, it's clear.
Okay. I don't know what's them making this. Okay, I think it should be my network or something. Let me try opening it and another tab.
Okay.
Neji web.
Okay.
Okay, so is I think the opener is still complaining. I mean, it's not here.
Obina is not yet here.
Okay, for that, let's just kick off the class. So this class we're going to be learning on about. Okay, here's our admin, the lady that was speaking. Okay, so we're going to be learning how to design a one-page e-commerce website. And basically, if you don't have a website online or a web page online, you are gonna let's say whether you do about either a service business or a product-based business, you're gonna have issues with selling because if you have a page online, you could actually easily run ad into it, run a traffic into it. Probably, if you're running an advertisement, which is what we call by traffic, it already has different purposes. You can run an advertisement for probably just want to get people to come and see what you are doing. For example, this site now can easily run an ad for people to come and see the sites without necessarily buying from me or requesting for my service. So a different type of reasons. So and that's because I have a web page already made already. So once somebody comes here, they're seeing all my details, they're seeing what the website is for, they're seeing the teams that inside here. So if they're coming here, they already know okay, these people have a website, and that's it's more like assuring them that I'm real. So it's kind of building my credibility and my visibility online. So if somebody wants to do a business with me and they see my website, see my portfolio, see my team, see what I'm doing already, they can easily book up a business with me. Like just last week, someone was asking, I was actually using a there was a web page I was using. It was not that nice enough, so to do my portfolio on. So each time somebody asks me, I want to see your portfolio, I share them that web page, and that web page is not actually my website. It doesn't have it's a web page built on another site. So I just did it for the meantime
Okay.
because I was working on my website. So, but
Mm-hmm.
I kind of find out that I actually lose more deals because they are not satisfied. But each time I share them this now, share them my portfolio, and they've seen everything that's inside here, and they've seen me my pictures inside it. They're like, okay, this is better. Let's deal. And that is why you need, as a business owner and you sell online, you need a web page at least to list your services to sell. There are different reasons why you need a website, and there are different reasons what a web page can do for you. It depends on what we want the web page to do for you. And this evening we're going to be using we're going to be designing one. And I don't know if you know that. You might not know that it's a kind of a web page that allows you to just do 10 listing 10 listing. I started my web design journey using free tools. I didn't actually have money for what is the basic premium one. So I just leverage on big small tools. And I found that these big tools, these small tools actually work well. And one of these tools I started with was eRead. Now I'm going to show you some website I designed using eRead. Now eRead is what I'm going to be using. I don't know if you can see the spelling I use here. eRead. So I just enter my tab, look at eRead. This is eRead. Let's just load up. So this is eRead. This is the logo of
Where is the
eRead.
E?
Yeah,
That's E.
yeah. Is
I can't
ECWI.
see it.
You can't see it. Can you see it there?
Okay, ECW. Okay, yeah, I can see
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
ECWID.
yeah, yeah. So eRead is one of the
Incorporation.
Yeah, eWay is one of the, should I say, company, a software company that I used a lot. I used to build a client website that I got. I think the client paid me 25K, and this is free tools. The client didn't know. A client was just looking for something basic. For example, there are a lot of business owners that also need something basic. You that you just start online, you don't need something complex like this one I designed now. This one took me to buy the domain name, the hosting, and the rest of them, and the plugin customization, a lot of work. But this eWeed, I don't actually need a lot of work. And under 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour, my site is done. And that is what I did. That is what I did for the client. And in a day, I got 25K. 25K or 25K paid
Wow.
to me. I could have charged more because I found out that I was just the only person that was charging less. Other people were charging 50, 100, and I was just charging because I was just starting up. So with these tools, they can actually do a lot of things, both for service business and product business. And I will show you the samples of the website I designed. So here's the website I designed, and I charge um, the 25K for. And I think the name is Adira. Yes, I think Adira. I don't know if I get the spelling right. Adira personified. I don't know if I got the spelling right. Personified. I don't know if I got the spelling well. Or let me just log in and see. Let me log into eWeed. I think I somehow I will have saved it already on because I normally save the password. So let me log in with eWeed first. Let me see if I still have the password.
Okay.
It should be loading now. Okay, so here is eWeed. You can see get started for free. You're not putting your credit card, rest of them. And the one thing I like about eWeed is that it has this Google, should I say Google ranking? Is it Google ranking, or it has this Google visibility that after creating it, it helps you rank online. Okay, yes, here's my personal one I designed. Well, let's start with my personal one
Okay.
I designed. Here's my personal website I designed. I use this to sell one of my solar. I think someone is joining. Let me quickly welcome someone. Okay, this is one of the site. Let me quickly welcome someone that just joined now. Who's the person? Okay. Ekene. Okay. All right. So please, if you're joining, just kindly mute your mouth. I think someone is joining. Someone is joining. Okay, that's all. That's all for now. So this is one of the websites I designed personally for promoting a solar product for one of my company in Lagos. I think my network is kind of, should I say, poor? Oh yeah, so this is it. And this is just a one-page website I designed for a solar company in Lagos. No, it's not actually for a solar company. I was actually doing drop shipping for the solar company because I worked for the company, so I found it easier to do more business with them since they already know me as someone reliable and as someone they can trust on. It should be slowing down.
Mhm.
Uh, this my system is hanging. Okay, so it's loading now. Also, this you can see how I listed the products. In fact, the picture of it is that
Yeah.
yeah, I even integrated payment gateway. It's so sweet that you can actually integrate payment gateways in a way that if someone wants to buy this now and I click on buy, okay, let's even click on buy. So let's click on buy. You can see the product description. This is an automatic water tank manager. You can see the product description, add to bag. When you come down here, there's still more um description and the rest of them. Okay, let me calm down. A lot of discussion. So this is a company I did. I work with Vampers. His name is a solar company in Lagos actually. So let's go ahead and let's go and book this product. Let's say add to cart, add to bag, and you can actually see my checkout and the rest of them. More like a customized. In fact, if you see this website, you won't actually you find it like it's more like a premium website. You won't think it's something created
Yeah.
with a free tools or about. It's very that's why I like the software.
Mm.
So I okay,
Mm.
let's say I want to purchase. It allows you to collect leads. Something
Okay.
someone is joining and let me make a quick on person. Okay, all right. Please kindly mute yourself. You're coming in. So let's say I want to place an order for this product. I quickly I made it in a way that I have to if you are placing order in this website, and if I want to reach you or send you your invoice, I have it's a must I must collect your email. So that's why you said yes, said please enter your email. So I have entered my email, click on checkout, and it's leading to yeah. So you can see you can either save it. No, I'm not saving this now. So and I also use deliver to my location. I set up this very well the way that each location in Nigeria. I think I mean I'm not sure in Nigeria, but I think I picked specific locations Enugu, Lagos, and the rest of them. Then if you're in Lagos, it's free. If you're around me, you can actually pick it up yourself. You can see the way I set it up. If you look at your site, it's a premium software because in the website there's an option for you to upgrade. So let's say I'm okay with this. Okay, let's say choose a country. Yeah, I can even see I picked I if I'm delivering for you for other countries, I also set that up as well. Let's just continue with our Nigeria. I think this is okay. Let's postal code. I think there's any you have to enter your postal code before you can order here. I think it must be 5. Okay. So I also pick up my you can see the next option, delivery and pickup option, then your payment option. Let's continue. Let's continue. So when you want your order delivered, I also pick it out. Do you want it delivered free delivery in Lagos mainland? You can see what I'm talking about. Then local delivery. I'm supposed to change this because transport is not it's not Nigerian transport is no longer as funny as it is now. So this 4K stuff, you're supposed to change it to either 7K or thereabouts. I have not worked on the website because the company they are actually restructuring, so I still have to work on the price list of this. This is the list has changed, so this site is kind of not active for now, except once this January is done. So let's say I'm using free delivery or I'm using local delivery. Okay, which time do you want? And the beauty of it is that he has calendar he wants, which day, and it's more automated. Let's say I want it delivered tomorrow. I want it delivered no on Thursday. Yeah. Let's speak on Thursday because I think I used 7 days margin. Is this 7 days? I can't remember 7 days or 5 days margin. So that's why it gave us this January 17th. Then let's click on continue. Let's look at what next. This is just the front edge of the website. At the back end of the website, there's a lot of work doing. And if you have used Jumia a lot, this site works like Jumia. If someone place an order in this front page here, at the back end, you are seeing that someone placed an order. You can ship the order, you can process the order. That's why I just liked the website. In fact, I'm going to be doing a lot of massive promotion with this website, and you guys are take it or leave it. This class is just free, but next time it's not going to be a free class because a lot of work is going to be done because this site does a lot, and as a small business owner, you can actually leverage on this website a lot, or I can actually design it for all these coming up business owners and collect your money. But this site is massive. The way it works is it's lovely once you start testing on it. We are still done. We are not done yet. So let's say I'm picking on pay on delivery, place on order. Okay, let's say like I told you, I integrated a pay stack and Flutterwave. Let's say I picked a pay stack. Yeah, and you're okay with this. We probably can leave an order. Maybe you want to leave a message. Maybe uh call. Let's say call me. Let's say use call this line. Call this line. Once you reach, call it like once you reach. This is just let us use a demo sentence here, demo word here for other comments. The next thing, the other comment is just maybe hold on, I think someone is joining. Someone joining us. Okay, all right. Hold on. All right, so no, okay, no one is there. All right, so let's go to payments. Oh, so you have to use it has to be 5. Okay, go to payments, and I think Paystack should be working, except I've removed it because I don't want somebody, because I got a lot of calls last week about solar products. I think I have to pause. I paused the website. I don't know whether Paystack should be is still working on it or not. All right, so this is just one of my website. I don't know what I taking. Yeah, okay. You can see now it's loading back to Paystack checkpoints, and so the website is secured. You can't. It's not something you are worried about. Is it secured or not? Because the website is secure, your payment is secured because either you are using pay on delivery or pick up or pay with Paystack and the rest of them. It's more integrated in the website. You don't have to worry about how do I collect my payments. Will I be in fact, if you don't even want to do pick up pay on delivery, you can either just use your normal pay and deliver, which is an idea or advice. Though most of us are in e-commerce business in Nigeria, we want more of let me see my product before I deliver, before I pay. I think it's still loading. Should I see my network? So this is just one of my website. Then this is the company website. I tested this with the company first before I started building my own. So when I was working with the company as a digital marketer, this was the one I built for them. So I was the person that we actually two digital team members, but me, I was more on the research team, and my company needed to sell, so I needed to find out a simple web page that
Okay.
sells. So this was one I discovered, I designed for them. Solarity, the same. You can see almost the same page. I think this is loading
Yeah, light
actually.
it up.
Yeah, this is almost the same page. This is still loading, Sha. Just my network. Yeah, so this is it.
Yeah, it's almost the same thing
It's
with that
almost
one. I
yeah,
can see solar energies and
yeah. So this is the company. I just did almost the same thing with them. Because I wanted because it's more like commission based. So I wanted to have my own, where I will sell my own stuff and not
mm-hmm.
having competition with the company. That's why. So this is it. I'll still find the one of the Adira. I think I should have it. Adira. It's I don't know this is Adira personal file. Okay, yeah, I've seen it. Yeah. This should be it. It's another one I designed for the lady I told you. I can see the site is even long. It's even on Google itself. Once you type on, it's even on Google. That's one thing about the site.
Wow.
It's more integrated with Google. Your stuff. Anybody searching for your stuff, your keyword online can easily see your website. So let's open the website and see. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is a site that I collected 25K for. Should be loading. All right. I don't know. My network is kind of delaying.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. The site is loading. Should be done by now. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is it. This is it. It's okay. It's almost complete. Yeah, so it's showing very well now. So this is the lady I designed for, and the lady sells this with all these traditional wears, and this is what she does. She sells Adira, and the funny thing about this site is that I actually showed her the one of where you buy hosting domain names and the rest of it, and I showed her this one, and she picked this. That to show you that some business people they don't actually need something complex, they just want something simple, fast, and they are done. And I was surprised. Like I'm even thinking that she'll collect the other one. She picked the other one, and she picked this instead of the other one. So this is it. I think I did another one, chef. I think I got another one for chef. A chef, yeah. So a chef. Let me upload this one again. So it's a restaurant actually. A restaurant, and it's I did this for my in-law. Yeah, I did this one for my in-law, and I paid it, and I saw it was just something. After designing, I was like, I just concluded that this year I'm doing a lot of this for business owners. So this is it. It's not the main basic picture. I just use the images here so that I'll just look at how it will look like. So the site is not yet live, license is not active to order from because there's no integration of Paystack and the rest of them here. It's just one static page, it's just a test page here. All right, so